So, panibagong topic na naman tayo dito sa Cybersecurity Fundamentals Lab. Security mobile platform naman yung ating topic ngayon. So, pang-anim siya ng prelim natin. So, introduction. Welcome to Security Mobile Platform Practice Lab. Ito, kumpleto na to. Nandito yung mga virtual natin. Then, ito yung module na paggagayahan natin. So, the learning outcomes, exercise 1 to 5, module device security concept, mobile hacking method, threats to mobile device, mobile security procedures, and mobile security tools. After completing this module, you will have further knowledge of, yan, lahat ng dami. Pero mamaya naman, matatalakay natin yan. Yan, matatalakay natin yan mamaya. So, lab duration will take approximately 45 minutes to complete this lab. Lab topology. This lab contains supporting material for cybersecurity fundamentals. Ayun daw, yan, ito daw gagamitin natin module. Exercise 1. Mobile device security concept. Along with increase the number of mobile device being used, mobile threats have also increased. So, ito daw example. Ransomware has emerged as a big threat to mobile devices. In this exercise, we will learn about mobile device security concept. Learning outcomes. Ayan, learning outcomes, mobile operating system, IME numbers, importance of IME numbers. Mobile operating system, just like desktop, from its word operating system, ipapaliwanag ko na din in my own opinion. Yung operating system ay yung nagpapatakbo sa mga natin, sa mga gadgets natin. Hindi lang naman mga cellphone or desktop yan, meron din naman sariling operating system. Yung mga kanya-kanya, kunyari kotse, meron nagpapatakbo dyan na kakaiba, na wala din sa iba. Kumbaga, for example nga nito, yung Google Android, no? And Apple iOS. Parang sa mga naka-Android, Android OS yun, tapos sa Apple iOS yun, yung dalawang Then, ito daw yung mga Android-based variant. Ito mga naka-Android. BlackBerry, Android One by Google, Emotion User Interface by Huawei, Fire OS, itong mga operating system, HTC Sense, LG UX, Magic UI, Oxygen OS, Xperia by Sony. Ibig sabihin yan, parang yan lang mga example, pero mas madami pang OS na sa Android. Kumbaga, example pa niyan, sa computer, meron Mac OS and merong Windows OS, tapos Linux, mga ganon. Madami pa. Task 2, IME numbers. International Mobile Equipment Identity, IME, is a unique number assigned to each mobile device. Two mobile devices, irrespective of their manufacturer, make a model, cannot have the same IME numbers. The IME number is 15-digit number is located on your device. If a mobile device has one SIM slot, then will have one IME number. However, mobile devices with ability to carry two SIM cards have two IME numbers. Ibig sabihin daw, pag isa lang SIM card ng phone mo, may isang IME yun. Pero pag dalawa o higit pa, kung magkakaroon man ng tatlong SIM card, siguro tatlong IME na din yan. Ito daw yung pag di nyo daw alam yung number nyo, don't press the following keys. Ito yan. Tapos lalabas na yung IME nyo, idadial nyo lang yan. Kadalasan to, ako gamit ko ngayon na Apple. Then, makikita nyo yun sa likod. Tapos sa Android na din, meron din sa tita ko. Dun sa settings general din, makikita nyo din yung IM number. Mahalaga din to kasi nga pagka-check mo yung phone mo through online, makikita mo na agad siya. Task 3, importance of IMEI numbers. IMEI numbers can be used to deactivate a mobile device if it's lost or stolen. Uh, excuse me. Pag daw nawala yung cellphone mo, pwede mo siya magamit yung IMEI, kaya mahalaga ito. Kaya pwede mo din to i-check, kunyari, example ng IMEI checker is, yung ayun nga, IMEI checker, ilalagay mo IMEI, lalabas yung inspect non-caller, ilang gig, ganun. Exercise 2, mobile hacking methods. When user is downloading and installing an app from the store, they are connected to the internet. Being connected to internet makes mobile device vulnerable. Any system or mobile device connected to internet at risk, but you can take precaution measures to minimize the security risk. It is important to note that some of the vulnerables on mobile devices are because of operating system. Mobile apps are some are due to user configures device. For example, if there are sensitive data on the mobile device and it's not encrypted, this is a risk. If the mobile device is stolen or lost, the sensitive data is at risk. Ibig sabihin daw kasi minsan, kadalasan pala may mga OS talaga na parang mabilis papasukan, lalo na sa mga Android. Kasi parang, ano yun parang open source yung ibang ano doon. Kumbaga pwede ka mag-download ng kanta doon ng free, hindi katulad sa Mac, hindi katulad sa Apple, puro puro bayad, ganito ganyan. Kaya di siya agad napapasukan or nadadownloadan. Learning outcomes, OWASP, top 10 mobile traits. Task 1 OWASP, top 10 mobile traits. Ito yung top 10 daw na mobile traits. First one is improper platform usage. Pag daw mali ang gamit mo, certain features may be built into mobile apps that are meant only for developers. However, if the hackers know these features, the entire mobile app is at risk explosion. Possible daw na ma-hack yung cellphone mo. Ma-hack yung cellphone mo dahil nga daw parang na-hack ng mga hackers yung application ng developers. Kunyari sa mga laro, na-hack nila, di ba? Parang nila, maroon sila mag-manipulate ng app. Tapos pag ginownload mo yun, ayun, pwede ka rin madamay. In securing data storage, sometimes developers don't efficient handle the data in storage. For example, the hacker may be able to extract data from cache. It is not laid or encrypted. The cache is temporary data that is stored in the mobile device and might contain sensitive information. Pag daw di na-clear yung cache or hindi daw encrypted, pwede daw ito magalaw ng mga hackers. Kasi daw yung cache daw is temporary data that is stored in the mobile device and might contain sensitive information. Insecure communication. Insecure communication relates to several vulnerabilities such as poor handshaking with negotiate. A handshake can be defined as when mobile device connects to specific servers, for example, email provider. This is handshake between the client and the server using weak authentication protocols such as SSS and TLS, which has replaced SSL. Incorrect SSL version usage. Using an older version of SSL such as version 101, which has security weaknesses. Certificate issue, use of expired certificate. Clear text communication, internet communication can use two different types of protocols. HTTP and HTTPS, yan. Insecure authentication, ito pa lang sa authentication, yung mga password. Sa mga online server, hacker can use custom tool to bypass the local authentication method to gain the access of data stored in the app. Yung iba kasing app, maganda, may mga password din. Kunyari, Yung FB mo, di ba may password na yun? Pero bago mo pa buksan yung app mo, dapat meron din password para double secure. Is inefficient cryptography. The developer does not implement sufficient or proper cryptography, a method to conceal information in a format that no one other than the intended party can understand. The hacker can decrypt the efficient cryptography to gain access to the data. Insecure authorization. Insecure authorization refers to the server-side vulnerabilities. The authorization, if the permissions are not checked properly, when the user accesses the features, it can also allow the hacker access to the exploit the features. Client code quality. The client code quality refers to mistakes made by developers in the mobile app code. The two most common errors the client code are buffer overflow and memory leaks. Parang memory leaks daw, parang yung mga data mo nag-leak, kumalat. Tas client code buffer overflow and memory leaks. The user system is vulnerable to binary exploitation, which is enabled to remote code execution by hacker injecting malicious code into memory. Kumbaga yung hacker naglagay siya ng malicious code tapos nakokontrol niya na. Kaya kailangan yung code mo maganda para hindi masyadong parang secure para hindi alanganin sa mga hacker. Code tampering. After a mobile app is downloaded, its code is resident on the mobile device. A hacker perform code tampering, modifying the code. Parang yung hacker, iibahin nila yung code na ginawa mo sa app para na ano din nila, parang nakokontrol din nila. Tapos to steal information, change the application program interface. Pwede nila din ibahin yung program interface o API, which allow two applications to connect with each other to access the premium features of the mobile app, and otherwise will be locked. Reverse engineering. Mobile apps can be reverse engineered. A hacker may reverse engineer a mobile app to study its functionality and find vulnerabilities that may exist in the code. Parang inanaban ng hacker na butas yung code. For example, if the developer has included a user credential as backdoor, then the hacker can use it as a data tip. A backdoor malware creates a backdoor entry in the system. Typically, developers leave the hard-coder credential within application to later connect it in case there is an issue connecting with the application. Similarly, if the hacker discover a backdoor, it allows them to remotely control the user system with a turn. Parang yung developer kasi naglagay sila ng hard-coded credential doon sa application para pag di gumana, tatry uli nila kung magagana yun sa code na secret code nila. Kaso pag nalaman to ng mga hackers yung backdoor na nila, ayun, pwede na din nila magalaw yan. Extraneous functionality. During the development of mobile app, the developers often includes features that can help them during the testing phase of application. However, these features are not always removed when the mobile app is released to production, but they are hidden from the users. Task 2, Mobile Device Management, MDM. Most organizations now allow the use of mobile phones to share their data. However, there is always a risk of data being stolen or the mobile phone being compromised. However, mobility has become necessity for many people and therefore organizations often use different methods to allow use of mobile phones. Bring your own device, BYOD. Organization might allow you to bring your own device for official use. Choose your own device, CYOD. This method allows employees to choose a device. The employee can either franchise a device from the organization for pay rent, however, the organization has complete control over the mobile device. Corporate-owned, personal-enabled corporate-owned, business only. Corporate-owned business, Business only, Kobo. The organization provides control and manage the device, the application, the data billing to organization. Etong ano lang, parang sila lang nagko-control. Tawag doon, corporate owned business, Kobo. MDM, this method, it can be default to manage the device. This is where mobile device management, meaning ng MDM is mobile device management, come in. MDM is feature used in an enterprise network to keep a mobile device environment secure. MDM control, configure, update, and secure remote mobile devices. Using MDM, you can block routing, jailbreaking, or any other feature that you may not want employee to use. Parang dahil dito sa MDM na yun, parang iilan lang yung mga taong pwedeng gumamit ng application. Yung mga ibang yung ibang iilang role lang. Oops, learning exercise 3, threats to mobile device. Just like desktop, ayun, yung ulit lang. Task 1, mobile malware. Ito naman yung mga virus sa mobile. Kumbaga, kung may virus tayo sa desktop, papasukan din ng virus yung mobile. Ito yung mga ilang uri ng virus is spyware, na-spyan yung cellphone mo. Once na mapasukan yung mo, parang sa computer, meron din sa cellphone yun, mapasukan yung yung cellphone mo, pwede nila ma-detect kung nasaan ka, naka-GPS open yan, tapos Bluetooth mo rin, kaya nilang buksan yan. Yung camera mo, kahit di mo alam, pero nakakontrol na nila yung camera mo. Malware, this is a form of aggressive advertising. Ito yung parang ads din, parang ads, tatatarin ka rin ng ads. Tapos, disruptive nature and can download spyware on devices. Pwede pa siyang mapasukan ng spyware. Spyware can steal user-sensitive information. Virus is a type of malware that either insert or attach itself to legitimate program and affects it. Kumbaga, siya, kahit yung mga legit na program mo, kunyari may program ka sa cellphone na Gcash, tapos napasok mo, kung nagkakaroon na ng virus doon, tapos parang pwede nila makuha yung pera, ganun. Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a malware that masquerades itself as a legitimate application to hide its real function. Para ito nang gagaya ng mga application. For example, nag-download ka Gmail, tapos naglagay ka doon ng email mo, tapos nag-sign in ka doon. Tapos nagulat ka na nahack na email mo kasi fake na pala yung Gmail. Browser exploit. This is a type of malicious code that alters the web browser security settings. Its main intent to exploit the vulnerabilities that may exist within the operating system or an installed application. Parang naman to, naninira naman ng browser mo sa cellphone. Methods derived by downloads. It is a method in which malicious code is downloaded to the mobile device or system. Or user visit an affected website, small piece of code which is inserted, the hacker is executed. Parang pumunta ka lang sa website, tapos yung website na yun parang may may virus. Ayun, napasukan na din pati cellphone mo. Phishing, yung normal, usong-uso to phishing sa mga Gmail na cellphone natin. Yung na email, instant messaging, Bluetooth, memory card, Wi-Fi, mga pic. Tapos pag binuksan mo, ginamit mo, ayun, mananakaw yung information mo. Task 2, mobile application vulnerabilities. Data storage format. When a mobile app is developed, the developers do not tend to encrypt the data stored within the app. Instead, the data is stored in clear text to XML format. If someone gains access to the mobile device, the data can be read and extracted. Malware is the more of an issue with Android-specific apps. Apple uses stringent practices to verify the app before it's submitted to their repository. Unauthorized access, many users do not put a lock or password on their mobile devices. If the device is slow or stolen, it can be lead to unauthorized access to sensitive information. Kaya kailangan lagi may password yung cellphone para in case man mawala o saan natin mailagay, hindi mabubuksan ng kahit sino. Lockup encryption, several apps use a synchronization feature to upload user data to their server. However, if the data is not encrypted during the transmission, it is prone to unauthorized access. Pag daw yung server mo, yung server na pinagsendan mo, yan, nagsend ka ng ano, example lang naman, yung nagsend ka ng picture, doon gamit Facebook, yung bago mapunta yung picture mo doon sa server, may nakuha na, may nakapag-receive na. Tapos, siya may send sa iba. Di mo alam, di lang sa iba na send mo, pati na rin sa iba. Task 3, threats to Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth is an open standard wireless technology that is used to exchange information and files between two devices. Bluetooth works only with a short-range radio frequencies. When two devices connect using Bluetooth connection, they create a wireless personal area network, WPAN. Ito yun, bluejacking, blue sniffing, snarping, wire needling, blue casting. Send an associated message, bluejacking yan. Blue sniffing, use a directional antenna to establish connection with a Bluetooth-enabled device. Blue snarping, use the bluejacking method to connect the device, the game's access to the address book, contract information, email, and text messages. Wire needling, blue casting, a hacker tries to find unsecured or unpatched Bluetooth connection. Exercise 4. Ayun ulit yun. Mobile have several security flaws, learning outcomes. Task 1, ito yan. Yung apat na yan, ito yan yung task na to. Task 1, updating mobile operating system. Ito naman daw yung mga para ma-protekta natin yung phone natin. Lagi mag-update ng operating system para maiwasan ang malware, hackers, and overall poor performance. Task 2, installing mobile phone antivirus. May mga ano din, kumbaga sa computer meron din, meron dito sa cellphone. Ito yung mga yon, mag-install ka para maiwasan yung mga malware and mga iba't ibang mga virus na pwedeng mapasukan sa cellphone natin. Anti-tip, app lock, call blocker, anti-phishing, real-time protection, backup, VPN, parental control. Here are a few examples of mobile antivirus application. Ito na mga antivirus, Norton Mobile, Kaspersky Antivirus, Bitdefender, ADG Antivirus, Avast, Reset, and Total Antivirus Defender. Task 3, Security Bluetooth Connectivity. Multiple methods can be used to secure Bluetooth connectivity. This includes Bluetooth should be turned on only when required. Yan, gagamitin mo lang daw yung Bluetooth mo pagka-required lang. Ensure that the device has most recent Bluetooth version naka-update. Kailangan ma-activate yung Bluetooth pero sasarado mo din agad. Ensure that the mobile device firmware and operating system has the most recent update installed. Maintain distance from people if you are performing a sensitive task over Bluetooth to avoid unauthorized people for tracking or accessing your connection. Use a strong pin for pairing with the other Bluetooth device. Task 4. Mobile, pala share ko lang, parang may mga may mas magaganda na rin, di ba yung iba parang Bluetooth to Bluetooth lang. Wala nang ginagamit na app, direkta na para mabilis. Yung iba gumagamit ng mga share it, mga ganun. Kasi yung dun parang may password, parang bago kayo connect sa isa't isa, may password yun para secure. Task 4, mobile device encryption. In case of mobile device tip or loss, you'll lose user data along with the physical device. To prevent the misuse of data in these circumstances, You should encrypt the data so it cannot be accessed by whoever is possessing of the mobile device. This is actually done using advanced encryption standard. Yes. Exercise 5, mobile security tools. Task 1, security mobile devices. Ito yung mga type of mobile devices na dapat pagsa-secure. Locking your phone gamit na may password. Encrypting data, configuring remote wipe, which is good in case of device being stolen. Backing up data, iPhone and Android have built-in feature that you synchronize your mobile device. Yan, mga iCloud or Google Drive, ayan, mga backup yan. Downloading, installing apps from legitimate such as Play Store. Yan, siguro rin sa Play Store lang magda-download. Avoiding jailbreaking or rooting your mobile devices. Ang kinagandaan dito sa jailbreak is lahat talaga magiging free. Sa iOS din kasi mayroong jailbreak, kaso nga lang, parang magiging Android na itsura niya. Tapos sa Android naman, prone siya sa mga virus pagka nag-jailbreak ka kasi kahit sinong download mo, delikado. Kasi yung mga code nun, puro crack eh. Kaya kung ano-ano na rin virus na yun. Updating your mobile device and apps as soon as updates are available. Update lang daw na update as long na kaya pa ng phone. Para laging hindi siya prone sa mga viruses. Installing antivirus and anti-malware app. Avoid the use of public Wi-Fi. Ito kasi sa public Wi-Fi kasi kadalasan pagka yung ikaw na-connect ka sa Wi-Fi tapos yung hacker na-connect din sa public Wi-Fi at kaya nilang hackin yun, yung kaya nilang i-manipulate yun para mapapasok yun sa cellphone mo, ayun, mapapasukan ka na ng virus at pwede ka na niyang i-track. Using VPN when connecting to the internet to encrypt the traffic. Gamit virtual protocol network ata meaning ng VPN. Parang hindi ma-detect yung IP address. May iba. Task 2, the importance of mobile device security. Data, it could be personal to business data. Identity, it could be identifying information. Availability, a way to make the mobile device unavailable for you to use. Ano ba kahalagahan? Just like laptop or desktop, a mobile device also have hardware and software. Hardware is the mobile device includes the processor, storage. Software comprises the operating system, mobile apps. All these components can be vulnerable and not secured properly. A threat actor could exploit these vulnerables. Task 3. Methods to prevent mobile device explosion. There are certain methods that should be implemented to prevent the misuse of mobile devices, whether they use for personal or official purposes. Personal devices. Here are some methods that you can use to protect mobile devices. Disable services like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not required. Enable GPS when required. Do not jailbreak. Perform regular backup. Perform regular. Restrict access. Avoid connecting to open network. Installing application. Encrypt the mobile device. Scan every app being installed. Avoid saving password on mobile device. Avoid clicking URLs or attachment. Receiving spam. Organization device. In addition of the above method, an organization should have used the following method using mobile device management (MDM). Enable remote location, remote wipe feature, encryption, geofencing, allow installation of apps using organization app, apps to be installed using blacklisting, use password enforcement, inventory management. Developers. Developers must have caution developing mobile app code. They should follow the guidelines. Ito yung mga pag developers ka ng app, ito yung mga kailangan mong tandaan. Follow proper code development guidelines, proper data storage, use SSL, TLS, prohibited lahat self-signing certificate, and use trusted ones, online authentication, pag pwede, process authentication, perform code integrity, use strong cryptography, perform user permission, use code standards, We perform a truth test, anti-tampering technique, root jailbreak detection method, and obfuscate code to avoid reversing engineering. As for lockout mobile security is mainly designed for Android and iOS. Allocate device, locate your Android for iOS device on map, save location, custom message, protect data, schedule security updates, backup, restore contacts. Ito na premium features niya. Kumbaga ito free version lang eh. To receive tip alerts, perform safe browsing, enable privacy advisor, schedule backups, and perform remote wipe. Task 5, Snap Secure Mobile Security. Snap Secure Mobile Security sa subscription base. Ito na binibili din to. Include nito is user security, driver security, safety zone, social safe, SIM detection, and anti-malware. Review well done. You have completed the Securing Mobile Platform Practice Lab. So, ito yung mga in-explain na itong module na to. Exercise 1 to 5. Mobile device, mobile hacking, methods, threats to mobile device, mobile security procedures, and security tools. So, nadagdagan ng kaalaman natin sa mga to. Kaya, next topic na ulit tayo. Maraming salamat.